In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Calendly on your Canva website. This simple integration can be a game changer for organizing events right within your design, and I'll guide you through it in just 5 minutes. So let's dive in and make scheduling a breeze on your Canva site. First, head over to calendly.com using your web browser. If you're new to Calendly, it's a fantastic tool that allows scheduling appointments without the typical back and forth emails, saving time for both you and clients. Once you're there, you'll see the home page. Look towards the top of the page and you'll find the login button. Click on it. Enter your email address when prompted and hit continue to access your Calendly account. Next, you'll be asked to enter your password. Once you've input your password, click continue once more and you'll be directed to the Calendly homepage where all your event types are listed. Choose an event type that you want to add to your Canva website. Click on it and then click on share to get the options for sharing this event. In the sharing options, look for the copy link button. Click it to copy your event's unique link to your clipboard. This link is what will paste into Canva, seamlessly connecting your designs to your Calendly scheduling. Now let's shift over to Canva. Open Canva and create a new blank page. This will serve as the canvas for integrating your Calendly link. With your page ready, go to the menu on the side and click on Add a Text Box. Select the newly added text box. This is where the magic happens. Once the text box is selected, locate the link icon in the toolbar. Click on this icon to open up a field where you can paste the link you earlier copied from Calendly. Paste the link into the field and then click on Done to cement that connection between Canva and Calendly. With the link set, you have a few more options at your disposal. Click on the link drop-down menu and select Embed. This feature allows for more dynamic integration, making the Calendly scheduler accessible directly from your Canva project. Feel free to make any adjustments to the layout or design that you deem necessary. You want it to blend seamlessly with the overall feel of your design. Finally, before finalizing anything, click on Preview to see how everything looks. Ensure that the link works as you intended. This final check can help you avoid any hiccups later on. Once you're satisfied, your Canva design with the embedded Calendly is ready to be used on your websites or events. This simple integration can help streamline your scheduling processes and improve client interactions. And that's it. You've successfully added a Calendly link to your Canva website. This integration should make your scheduling and event management much more efficient. Thanks for following along and happy designing.